Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start dropshipping in 2023 with this very basic blueprint. Now, the thing that's different from a lot of other people is that this blueprint is very simple, it's very basic, and you can have $0 at the beginning, or you could have, $10,000. It doesn't really matter how much money you have. You do this basically for $0. So whether this is your first time doing it, or if you've done previous dropshipping stores and want to try a different approach to it, this is the perfect video for you. My approach to dropshipping is extremely basic. It's find very good products that are trending at the moment, build a high converting store around it, and then consistently create viral marketing content around it that is easily shareable to masses. And today we're going to be breaking down a specific product, a specific store that you guys, if you really wanted to, could even do as well. Now, I'm not saying this is the hottest product right now, but this is a product that kind of checks all the boxes, and in my opinion is something that would be super easy to market, super easy to sell, which is the perfect recipe. Now, there are a ton of different tools and resources you can use to go ahead and find amazing products to go ahead and start dropshipping and testing. My approach for it, though, this entire video is going to be going at a $0 cost. This is like if you have no money, you're completely broke, and you want to find a product, you want to create content for a product, and you want to sell a product, it's going to cost you $0, so it's super risk-free. So what I like to do is go ahead and open up my TikTok app, and the term you guys are going to see at the top right here is TikTok made me buy it. Now, we're going to go ahead and search that up. Just TikTok made me buy it, just search that up. Now, the first thing you're going to notice, there's a ton of different products right here that you're going to notice. You're going to notice a ton of unique stuff and a ton of like drop shipping type of products on your home page right here with super good videos, blah, blah, blah. And rightfully so. I'm sure a lot of these products are super high converting, especially if they're landing when you search up TikTok made me buy it. But what we're going to do to narrow down to viral products that are recent and something that, isn't from a few months ago is we're going to go ahead and go to the filter section right here. We're going to sort by like count. And then after that, we're also going to do the date posted. Depends really how narrow. If you want, you can do the last week. I usually do the last month. And then I'll sort down a little bit more narrow to the last week if I'm really trying to double check a product. So right here, you are going to notice there are a ton of different products within the last month that got millions and millions of likes. And by the way, guys, views mean nothing on TikTok. The only thing that is valuable on TikTok are likes. Treat likes like the gold standard. So right here, taking a look, I see a ton of products, and one that I know specifically recently popped off that I want to kind of show for this example is right here, this cup washer. Okay, I think a lot of you've probably seen this product on TikTok. It's been very trendy recently, and this is kind of the product I want to dive into today. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. The first thing about this that I want to go ahead and mention is let's take a look at the actual video right here. It's nothing too complicated or too crazy. It's them using the cup washer product on a dirty product. Now, there's a couple things I don't like about this video specifically. Them saying at the top, I'm gonna be honest, this is a waste of money, in my opinion, isn't going for the best conversion rate for you trying to get people to check out your store. I would go with a little bit better title at the top, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk more about that later on. But that caption to me is just really bad. But they do a phenomenal job of jumping straight into the product. The product is visually nice enough that the product sells itself. It's super simple. You place the cup on top of the cup washer and it cleans it. This isn't overcomplicated. This is as basic as it gets. Now, the number one thing I like to do when looking for products is taking a look at the comments, because if I'm interested in doing this product, I like to double check the comments. So right here, you're gonna notice there's a how much. Wow, I need that, cool product, fire product, need one. You're gonna see a lot of people saying they need this product, and to me that's a green flag because people are interested in this. So a few things they do on their store page right here that I think is phenomenal is they have the getcupwasher.com at the top right here. That is just like their username. You can set that. That's not like their @ but that's like the name on the profile, so that when people are scrolling through TikTok, they'll see getcupwasher.com. It's right above it. Super simple. You know where the website is. And especially if you have under 1,000 followers on TikTok, you are not even allowed to put a link in your bio. So that will make people be able to at least have a general idea where they could go on their desktop or phone to go to your website. Now, looking at their home page right here, their profile page right here, they set it up perfectly. And I highly recommend you guys would do something similar to this, setting up your TikTok page. They put the price in the bio because you want people to know when they go to the site what the price is going to be. If people go to the site on TikTok and they have no idea what the price is going to be, and then they see it, they might be confused. They might be scared and they might leave. Where this, they see it in your bio, they know it's 20 bucks here, so they know when they go to your website, it's 20 bucks. Going to their website, they already have the confidence, they already know the price, so instinctually, they're a little bit more incentivized to go ahead and follow through with the conversion. They also have worldwide shipping, just increasing your conversion right there, and then get yours now. Obviously, they have the link in bio, which is super important. Once you hit over 1,000 followers on TikTok, add that link to your bio straight to the landing page. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now granted, this is on mobile and most TikTok users are on mobile, so always optimize for mobile right here. Now something I don't like about this is right now you guys are noticing the price right here is well, that's not 20 bucks. So personally to me, that is a turnoff. I would have this set to $19.99 like it is in their bio. I honestly think that extra $2 right there could cost them in conversion, but to be fair, they might be testing with paid ads right now on this page. I would personally create a different landing page. Now the generality of this site to me is really good. Now the few things I don't like, they only have one review right here, and getting reviews is not difficult. There's billions of plugins on Shopify that you can go ahead and use to get 100+ reviews from AliExpress, or just write fake ones, pay someone to do it. Now right here, the actual page, they got three high quality photos right here, 2 of them being the activate, and then the third one of being how to set it up. To me, that is important because people sometimes get confused, like, how am I going to use this product? This photo right here pretty much explains pretty clearly how you set up this product. Like, I would know, okay, I got to hook this up to the line in my sink. Now when we keep scrolling down, this is important. They have GIFs used throughout their bio. This is super important when setting up an optimized TikTok store. You want videos or GIFs in your description or in the product description here to show your product being used, just because it keeps reminding people the benefit of the product. I can put a cup on this and it'll clean the cup instantly. It looks cool, stuff like that. And then right here, they have highlights, specifications. This isn't even that honest. Like, they don't even have the S capitalized right here. This is not that optimized of a store right here. I do like they have a YouTube video right here. Cup washer watch now gives me confidence, especially if they have someone that shows you how to set it up. And then right down here, they have the 45 reviews. I'm not too sure why it says right here 1. It might just be a glitch on my end. But when you scroll down, they have a ton of social proof right here with other reviews, photos. You need to have photo reviews at the bottom because people like to see other people having the product. It adds a massive layer of trust. And so people seeing other people hold this product makes it seem a billion times more legit and makes them super confident. So yeah, I mean, this is a pretty basic website. This is nothing overly complicated. This is a default Shopify theme right here. A few premium plugins or apps are installed onto this, but besides that, this is a very basic store that pretty much any one of you could go ahead and create. And the concept of it is very basic, especially looking at their TikTok or marketing strategy. The really best part about this is they could do this with a billion different glasses. It looks like right even here, they are like tagging people like, hey, could you do this with like a McDonald's cup? Hey, could you do this with Gatorade? And that would be a really cool series to go down. And the best part about it is with these viral videos right here that you're getting videos that you can now use in the paid vertical through paid advertising on TikTok to see if they go viral. And I mean, right here, I mean, you have a 20 million view video right here. I can only imagine how many conversions you got. It's got to be ridiculous. Also, a fun little tip and trick right here that a lot of people don't do for some reason. I like telling people that ask me for help. I just tell them to do this one little trick and it'll increase your conversions a ton. In your review section on your store, you can obviously create a few reviews yourself. At the top, try to make some reviews and have them say like, I saw this on TikTok and I purchased it, because you saying like, hey, I found this on TikTok and I bought it because of TikTok, it'll make people coming from that traffic source a lot higher interested in converting on that product. It's such a simple and basic concept, but people seeing like, oh, other people from TikTok came here and bought it and then they received it, that's a green light from me. That's a thumbs up. So I recommend you guys do that. I would add a couple in there saying like, hey, I saw this viral video on TikTok, went and purchased it, came super quick, blah, 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 and it'll help increase conversions. But this is just a super basic price. Let's go ahead and real quickly take a look on the profit on this and my estimate on the conversion rate and all that. So right now they're selling this for $21.98. Again, they were initially advertising this as $19.99. So let's just go ahead and say they were selling it for 20 bucks. Now guys, just doing a little bit of research, I'm kind of finding that, you know, I'm looking for the AliExpress listings with a decent amount of orders, and a lot of these are looking like they're going in between that like $8 to $10 range. So they're making about, you know, $10 to $12 per product. So I kind of see why they were more interested in raising their price. Now, to be completely honest, I don't like this product selling for 20 bucks. I think you could sell it for probably 30 to 40. It seems like a premium enough product, especially for people like adding it to your kitchen. They're not going to want some like little janky thing. You want to sell it as like a high quality premium thing that you could add to your kitchen. So I think this product would work in that $30 to $40 range, and it's still not too expensive enough to the point where it might turn people off, but it seems high quality enough. So that's just my personal opinion on it. They would make a lot more money with it. Gives you more room for margin, whether you want to go down the paid advertising route or whatnot, or want to start doing UGC. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty basic and simple product right here. Again, nothing too complicated or over the top. And again, I really don't recommend using AliExpress. I would do more research, but this is just me after doing like a couple minutes of looking around, trying to find the general same product right here. And yeah, I mean, it works pretty decent. It took not too long, so it would not be hard to do something similar. Now, let's say this product, I think it might be a little bit too saturated now. I don't think the people that are front running it are optimizing the best. I think they could be a lot more, or they could do a lot more content that would make it go a little bit more viral, try to do a little bit more challenges with it, start mixing stuff in and stuff like that. I think they could go down. It doesn't look like they're optimizing too much. So if you had a better approach to TikTok, it could probably go a little bit better, but there is someone massive in the scene. So I usually don't go too crazy in on products like that, but it would be worthy of something to test if you want to do it. I mean, it's super free. It costs literally $0 to test it out. And even if you just want to do a store just to learn for the first time, you could do this, and because it's a pretty simple product to market as well. So yeah, guys, I mean, pretty simply, that would be my how to start drop shipping in 2023 strategy. It's nothing overly complicated. It's pretty much just find a good product, build a basic store around it that is just high converting, doesn't have any red flags on it, and create good content and viral content around it that will go viral easily, and just start marketing. It's pretty simple. People like to overcomplicate drop shipping. I promise it's not that complicated. Just make good content. But guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching this video. I know my upload schedule on this channel is horrible. Over the last few months, I've been working on a new business that I probably will be making a video about soon. So if you guys are interested in maybe another business that you could start in 2023, if you don't really like drop shipping or want to try something different, stay on the tune, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. But guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. And until then, bye bye.